This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen put in a car. And I've been doing this a while, and I've seen some dumb stuff. Ford made a reliable V8. Rover and Jag messed it up. These little O-rings right here on the end, they leak. This little pleated cooler, it leaks. And it leaks oil and coolant, and it leaks in the valley of the engine where you can't see it. So only once it's leaked a lot, and you've pretty much bled out, you find out there's a problem. Except Rover put a skid plate underneath, so that skid plate's got to fill with oil as well. So we went ahead and measured. This car holds about 8 quarts of oil, and it can lose about 6 before you see any hit the ground. If 3/4 of your blood was on the pavement, you'd be dead. If you don't want to be dead, don't buy a Rover. You might end up dead. Now you heard me mention earlier, I said Jag. Well, at the time of production, Ford engines were going into Jaguar motor vehicles and Rover motor vehicles. This one's in a Rover. We're about to show you one in a Jag as well. You want to see how these can be avoided so you don't have to deal with these problems? Simple. Don't buy luxurious cars that have more pieces to fail. Otherwise, you might end up with a piece of trash like this.